Hello all, my name is Bharat Madke. In this video module, we are going to discuss about a very important chapter of subject biology, that is the circulation. Now, I will request you to please your hand put like this on the chest region. Now, you will feel there is some pulsation is going on. So the pulsation which has been created, that is because of the heart, which is a very important organ of the human circulatory system. So in this video module, we are going to understand about definition of circulation, we are going to understand about components of circulation, we are going to understand about component of blood, and we are going to understand about parts of human heart. So let us start one by one with the topic. So how to define circulation? Circulation is a process in which the blood is going to move throughout the body in the circular manner, which is been again returned to the heart, and it also collects the waste product from the different cell as it is going to return back to the heart. Now let us try and understand about the components of circulation. In components of circulation, you have three important parts. So the first part in component of circulation is the blood itself. The next is the heart. The third is the blood vessel. Without this, the circulatory system cannot exist, especially whenever we are going to speak with respect to the mammalian circulation or higher animal circulation. So in circulation, as I have told you, the blood becomes a very crucial part. You have heart and you have blood vessel. Now we will try and understand first about the components of blood. So let us now understand about the components of the blood. So let us check out what are the components of blood. Means inside blood what all we can see. So basically whenever we are observing blood, either microscopically or whenever we are removing blood and keeping it in a test tube, and if we give a fraction of time, maybe about half an hour, so you can clearly see two important component of blood. So the blood could be easily divided into two major parts. The first, what we call it as blood cells, and the next what we call it as plasma. Assuming that this is the test tube in which we have collected the blood. So what you can see some cells which will be like this, accommodating here in the lower zone. And what you can see the half as a straw colored solution, which is almost yellowish in color. So this particular component, we call it as plasma, and the component what you see here is the blood cells. Now I have tried to draw it only with the red coloration because red blood cells are present inside the blood. You have WBCs also, and you have platelets also. So WBCs are like soldiers of the body. They will fight against any microbe which is entering into the body. They will try that microbe should not overpower any part of the body. Let us go with the next one, the platelets. The platelets will be very useful and functional whenever if there is a cut on the body, when the blood is going to ooze out continuously. So platelets are the one, along with the injured tissues, they are going to come and they are going to wrap up or seal up the things over here, so that the excess amount of blood is not being lost from that particular injured site. Let us move to the next particular component, that is plasma. The straw colored structure, that is plasma, it is like a watery component also. It has many dissolved inorganic salt, organic salt, and also the waste product which will be carried by the blood. So here I'll stop. I hope you have understood about the components of blood too.